Hey, what's up, BTT holder? Bittorrent is completely, my friends, moving in upward direction in last 24 hours. I can't expect this, my brother, for BTT to they will give you a profit. But absolutely, my brother, I'm so happy to see this. Congratulations, my brother. In last 24 hours, you can see here plus 0.13% profit. And my brother, as you can see here, the chain occurring is going to be very good now, my brother. But definitely, my friend, you can see here in the start of month, every coin, my brother, in the start of month will fail us down, and at the end of month they will moving in upward direction. So that's a very good, my brothers. To this time, you can see here Bittorrent is moving in upward direction. Congratulations. All right, if we just only check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, so we better understand, my brothers, to they moving upward or they will fail us down. And last 7 days, this coin is also in the profit now, my brother. And BTT, one of the stable coin in the crypto market, and definitely the team of Bittorrent is doing very hard work now. So I know, my brothers, to absolutely, if we collaborate with a lot of companies, my friends, especially Amazon, like that, so absolutely this is possible to BTT will hit now $1 USD. Otherwise this is impossible to, they will just only hit now 0.1 USD. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will move in upward direction. But remember, my brothers, to in the start of month every coin will fails down. So therefore, my brother, there is no chance to BTT will moving upward direction, my brother, in the start of month. So remember, to in the mid of month, my brother, they will again starting moving in upward direction. And especially everybody know this, to in the start of month fails down, and the mid of month they will starting moving in upward direction. And the last 10 days of month, they will broke all record and completely go in the moon now. So please, holders, just and only that's need to you wait now, and I hope, my brother, price will be increasing now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.